ma'am, pag sabihin niyo po na para po sa kabatiran ng lahat, para sa inyo po, ano po yung memorandum of agreement na pinirmahan po between the NCMF and the DOST?
Yes po, Sir Nord. So, nung last January 4 po, yun nga po, yung pinirmahan po ng NCMF Secretary and yung DOST Secretary. So, yung agreement po yun, it provides a comprehensive framework na nandun po yung duties ng DOST Halal Verification Laboratories. So, ang Halal Verification Laboratories are located in here in Davao, in Cotabato, in Laguna, and in Coronadal. So they are the collaboration between the NCMF and DOST is carrying out stringent testing procedures to identify prohibited components in halal products and uphold their integrity. So that agreement also gives the NCMF the authority to propose and recommend policies pertaining to market surveillance and requirement of halal testing in the certification and recertification procedures for halal products. And sa pamamagitan din po ng collaboration ng DOST and NCMF, no, magkakaroon po, ma-utilize po yung advanced testing methods ng mga halal verification laboratories para ma-ensure po yung authenticity ng halal products.